Center of Excellence in Biodiversity Literacy Management organizing this training about biodiversity informatics, just to rate the people who will participate in the project we are developing here in Rwanda about biodiversity information facilities and the biodiversity information system, just to make sure that all the people will be aware on different tools, softwares which are needed, which will be required in data management.
Those types of data include occurrence data, and another type of data set is taxonomy level data that includes checklists or catalogs of some species names. Those are some of the types I have learned in this training.
So we're going to need data which is cleaned and transformed. That's where we're going to need different tools. That tools which is going to help us to clean data and transform them is called OpenGBIF. So once data are cleaned and transformed, we have other tools that we're going to need in order to correct geographic locations, which is coordinates. So we have QGIS, we have georeferential tools, we have geolocator. And also we're going to need another tool to publish data when data are cleaned and transformed. So we're going to use IPT. IPT is Integrated Publishing Tools. That tool is going to help us to publish data on GBIF.
Simply talking about the output of this training, we are different people who were recruited by the Center of Excellence to see how we can make available the biological diversity data, because in Rwanda there has been seen different problems of data availability, because sometimes when researchers are doing research there is a gap in finding different baseline data for biological diversity. We believe that when data is not available, and this will constrain different decision making and policy development. So being part of this training, we are trying to see how we can make those data available by being in touch or collaborating with different stakeholders.
And this one is going, of course, to be like an archive of environmental information. As mentioned before, these information are going to be crucial and important for decision making and informed policy development.